issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Butts County and central Georgia, northwestern Jasper County and central Georgia, southeastern Newton County in north central Georgia until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Starsville or near Covington, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Covington, Porterdale, Mansfield, Stewart, Calvin, Eudora, Turtle Cove, Woodville, North Alcovy, Starsville, and Rocky Plains. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-8667-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.